Where do the crabs go? We've never performed this in front of a group either. Where do the crabs go, leaving their shadows behind them? What presses their return from the autumnal reef? In the winter I shall row with a stranger beside me, call him an old hand, ready with the sail. Let the stranger spend his knowledge of all things passing, the fiery sun that blushes to be born, the stirrings in the cottages and demarcations of the gull. I shall row from the darkness of my brain to where charts have no meaning and my friends of the air cannot see one another, and you should move with me, Citarale, beyond the shadows, your petticoats behind you and the tide at an oar. We may hope to discover no eddying of days or hands or shoals, only ourselves, ghosts of light and tireless travelers. Some fisherman on the bay will look up from his catch and say, with a blue sook listening, I am a living thing. I breathe, and I am dying. But that is not what we'll whisper with our voices of shelled things in our skins of water.